pockets. It has pockets. Hey guys, welcome back to my corner of the internet. As you guys can see from the title, today we're doing an unboxing of this big old gigantic box from FABFITFUN. That is so very hard for me to say. I don't know why, but I cannot get it out of my mouth. So I've been watching this unboxing for quite a few years, and I always wondered, is this really worth it? Is it really worth it? So I got all the details of it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So obviously I do have a coupon code if you are interested in purchasing these. I am not lying or exaggerating when I tell you that these kind of partnerships that I do, I always gift to moms. So I have a mom in particular that loves to get surprised, but also wants to have some sort of control in the products that she gets. And this is exactly what FABFITFUN does for you. You get to pick up to 6 different options in each of your seasonal boxes. It's 4 times a year, which I think is more than plenty. As you know, I've done subscription boxes in the past and they've been month to month, and you just can't keep up with that. But having it 4 times a year, I think it's a really nice time. So you get 3 to 4 months to really enjoy the products that you choose. So you get makeup, skincare, home decor, as well as some sort of apparel, which depends on the season that you're getting it. I have a coupon code for a monthly subscription as well as a yearly subscription. If you do choose the yearly subscription, you do get a free gift. So I don't know what that gift is, but everyone that signs up gets a free gift with that. My coupon for the monthly one is 20% off. That's the one I think I'm going to choose because it just so happens that this individual's birthday is coming up and it's going to work out. So I want her to get a feel of it, and if she enjoys it, then I'm going to go ahead and gift her the whole year. I've done this before, and I kid you not, she was in tears. She just loves these kind of things. And if you have somebody special in your life that likes these kind of things, like I'd be somebody that would love to get a gift like this because I love the surprise, but I also can have a little bit of control of the products that I get. And obviously, according to the season is what you're going to get. Fall and winter is more cozy stuff. Spring and summer is more like outdoorsy stuff. So you can kind of get an idea of what it is that you're going to get. So everything you need to know, I will put down in the description box. I want to thank FABFITFUN for reaching out to me to try this out. I haven't even opened this box yet. We're going to open it up together, you guys, and see exactly what I get. I do remember picking and choosing certain items. Now, obviously, not everything is guaranteed that you're going to get, but I figured it'd be fun to try out because a lot of the things that come in these boxes, I already enjoy and I would probably get. And I've found so many amazing things through these kind of boxes that I've gotten in the past. And some are not so great. You guys have seen it on camera. I am not somebody who shies away from saying this box is crappy and I'll never get it again. And then there's other ones that I have. So, all right, guys. So let's open this up, shall we? So this is the box inside. At least the one that I got. This one says I don't know what that means. Our 50th box. Oh, I think this is their 50th box. So they've done already 50 boxes, which is pretty cool. I love, oh, Alex, there's a big 5-0 right there. Duh. Can you tell it's early in the morning? All right, you guys. It's really cute because even on the box it says out of office. Isn't that cool? So I think that's pretty cool. All right, so now we're going to get this out. And let's just see what we're going to get. First thing I see, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. It's a floral cuff. So again, you're getting all different things in here. Ooh, let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look at how beautiful that is. I love these kind of cuff stuff because, mind you, my wrist is pretty small. So I always have a problem with cuffs not fitting me. And this one seems like you can really bend it. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, I really like that. And I can wear this to work and it not bother me because it can really like fit around my tiny wrist. Ooh, I love that. And I love the little bag on here. Let's see, and it probably has, yes, it has like a little coupon in there as well. So I'm going to put this in here. I think that's so cute. So I'm going to leave this on because I like it. Ooh, look at this. Skincare Tools Depuffing Mask. This just came at the perfect time, you guys. Due to allergies, I don't get much allergies anymore, but my eyes are really swollen. You could kind of tell that they're puffy under here because of the fact that my eyes are itchy. There's nothing that I can do about the pollen getting in my eyes and affecting me, but this is a depuffing mask and it's reusable. Ooh, it's offering cryotherapy, which is chilled and heated benefits. Oh, so you're supposed to use it for 10 to 15 minutes. I think I'm going to use this tonight. I don't know. I don't want to open it because I don't know. Hand wash only when needed. Lay flat. Oh my gosh. I love that this is reusable. I am not a face mask kind of person unless I can reuse it over because I feel like I'm wasting my money. I'd rather just buy the skincare. Oh, I love this. You guys, these are awesome for when you have sinus headaches, when you have a migraine. Oh my gosh, I am in love. All right, I'm using this for everything. Mr. Man has taken pictures of me laying in bed with masks on my face like this, listening to music because he finds it to be like creepy and funny at the same time. So he'll get a kick out of that one. All right, so what do we have next? This is an anklet. Oh, I love anklets. Anklets are some of my favorite jewelry to have, and look how cute this little packaging is. Oh my gosh. So this says set and stones. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. Guys, this is like Christmas all over again. See, and I feel like this would be such a good gift for like Mother's Day, for a birthday, for a baby shower, for a new mom. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that anklet is. I am definitely gonna rock this to work tomorrow. I'm actually wearing a dress tomorrow, so this would be perfect for me to wear. And it's very nice and sturdy. I like this because I kind of beat up my anklets. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I really do beat them up. This one's really nice. I love that. And it has like, it's different. I don't have any anklets that pearls in it. So that's perfect. Ooh, look at this. Then we have a ring. Is this a ring for your foot or a ring? I don't know. It doesn't say if it's like a toe ring or a regular ring because it has this cuff here, and normally those are toe rings. But if it is a toe ring, this is cute. I might actually end up wearing it as a toe ring. So I'm gonna leave that in there because if it's for my toe, I ain't showing you my feet. Don't be asking. That's the one thing you will never see is my feet. Ooh, I got a NARS Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick. Guys, this is a lot better than Beautylish, let me tell you. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. I don't own any, obviously you guys know. And this one is in the shade Voyager. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be my new favorite. I love this. I love this. I love this. I'm definitely going to be wearing this a ton. Oh, I love this. Beautiful. And I think this is one of the ones that I chose the shade, a few shades, and I wasn't sure which one I was gonna get. And then last but not least is, what are you? Oh, it's a dress. Oh my gosh, look at this dress. All right, let me stand up. Let me stand up. I love, can you guys see me? Can you guys see me? Oh, I love it. It's really long. So, and it ties in the back, you guys. Let me put this down so you can see what I'm doing. So it ties in the back here. So you can have like, you can wear this to the beach. You can wear this to after like a pool day. Oh, I love this. I love these kind of flowy dresses, you guys. And you guys know that I don't buy a lot of black. So this is perfect because this is something that I would definitely get use out of. I love these kind of flowy dresses where it just doesn't force you. Oh, and it has pockets. It has pockets. Oh my gosh, it has pockets. Yep. Complete winner. You guys, complete winner. This was an awesome bag. I genuinely want this for myself. Like, I want to get this for myself. Mr. Man, Mother's Day's coming up. Our anniversary's coming up. My birthday's coming up. Pick one. I want it. All right, guys. So these are the 6 things that I got. Like I said, you're going to get 6 things in each box. So I got a dress that I'm going to enjoy. I will, if I remember to try it on, or I will try it on for another video, you guys will see it. So I'm definitely going to wear this for a video so you guys can see it. So that's 1, a lipstick, 2, 3, the bracelet, 4, the toe ring, 5, the anklet, and 6, this. So I got skincare, makeup, apparel, and jewelry like this. I love this. I love that I'm not inundated with so much makeup that I'm not going to use. 1, 2, I have a little bit of everything that I can try. I genuinely like this. I've seen it before, but I've never seen anybody so excited. And I feel like I'm at a point in my life where I don't want a subscription box that's just makeup or just skincare because I know realistically I'm not going to get through it. I'm not going to like everything. Project Pan has taught me that, so this is perfect because I will definitely use the jewelry. Absolutely 100%. Anything in here that I've gotten, the anklet and the toe ring, I'm going to absolutely use it. There is hands down stuff that I will use with different outfits for different things. You guys see, I'm always wearing jewelry, so it's a winner for me. I think this is a winner. If you guys are interested in getting any of the FABFITFUN boxes, whether you just want one, you want to gift one, you want the whole year's worth. I have 2 different coupon codes for you guys. I really do like this. Like, I've never been this excited for products in a surprise box. Really, like, where I've liked everything. And you guys know I've always gotten Beautylist. This is the first year I don't. For the first time, I feel like everything I really liked. I'm very, very happy. Like, I was kind of scared and hesitant, but I really do like this box. I really, really do. I think it is. And for the price, I believe that if you use my coupon code, it'll come down to like $55. 55 bucks. I think like this alone is probably $30, $40. So I think this is absolutely worth it. I don't even want to know how much this is because this sounds like it's going to be bougie. I'm going to have to look this one up, but I really do like that. This is all a winner to me. Complete winner. Okay. All right, Alex. I think that I'm happy that I partnered with them at a time where it was right in my life. Because if I would have gotten this like maybe 5-6 years ago, I don't think I would have appreciated it as much as I do now, where I stand with my makeup collection and my skincare. I think this is good. This is good. All right, guys, that is all that I have. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested at all in the FABFITFUN, or if you have a subscription with them already, let me know how you like it. I'm definitely gifting this out for either Mother's Day or the birthday of the specific woman that I'm thinking of. She's gonna love this. I can see her loving this. So this is 100%. I'm actually gonna use my own coupon code. Don't judge me. But I'm definitely going to gift this. This is something that I can see her really genuinely loving. Even to my sister who has a new baby, she would love something like this because she doesn't get out much. She doesn't do things for herself as much anymore. And something like this, I can see her sitting after hours doing this, or dressing up with a little bit of jewelry. So there's ideas. There's ideas. All right, guys, that is all that I have. Thank you again to FABFITFUN for partnering with me today. Again, anything you need to know with that in the description box. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, for seeing all this. This is like genuine reaction. Genuine reaction. I'm very happy. Like, can you tell? I'm so happy. All right, guys, that's all that I have. More videos on the screen for you to enjoy. All right, guys.